Now, India may not have performed as well as yesterday. We won about 3 medals today as opposed to yesterday's 9. But there's this one agency which has been very, very consistent, and that's Team Talented. Cheer, guys. Okay, so silver yesterday and silver today. ये राज क्या है?
Vinay, Ras kya hai?
I don't have Raz kya hai. I think he's the best one to answer that.
Go ahead, Prashant.
I think one of the biggest raz here is our client who's Britannia. I think they've been so incredibly open to the kind of ideas that we have thrown at them. They've backed us to the hilt. They've changed the shape of a biscuit after 18 years. I mean, we've all known the iconic Marigold and what the new Avni Gold is. It's a completely different shape per se, right? I mean, smaller circles. So I think the singular difference this time is the fact that Britannia is our partner.
I agree. Both changing the biscuit and taking the worst media plan that their agency sold them for Nature Shapes Britannia, which was the worst media plan possible.
the best now.
Absolutely, yeah.
I guess one of the Raz is also the talented team, and the huge team that's back in India. We're just a part of a bigger team that worked on these campaigns. So yeah.
What is Raz? what? I'm saying, what is Raz?
Actually,
Yeah,
I
neither of
was
us
also
know.
winging it. We're South Indians, right? Yeah, we're South Indians.
So I'll ask you another question. So very rarely has one agency. Now, very rarely has an agency actually won 2 awards for 2 different campaigns for the same client. So have they actually given you lifelong retainer, Britannia?
Well, there's a new CMO here, so if you're here. No, I mean, in fact, not a lifelong retainer, but what I'd like to say is we're really proud of working with them because they were the first people to sign with us. They were a 100 and something year old company signing with a 1-day-old company 3.5 years ago when we started. So, lifelong retainer or not, they're we're big fans of the team at Britannia.
Yeah, it's very. I think our first line as a team was way back in 2019, and I think from then till now, whenever our work has made it to a medal, you feel very happy for yourself and your team and the agency and all of that. This is probably the first time where we are genuinely feeling happier for our clients than for each other, almost in that sense. Like, this is it's super special for Britannia. And if any of y'all from the Britannia team are watching this, we miss you guys. We wish y'all were here. This is all yours, and way more to come.
And you know, this time, I think while you have won 2 silvers, and we are hoping you have more shortlists and that will also convert, are you expecting that gold? Because that's the only medal that has actually eluded you since the time you started entering at Cannes as talented.
Neeta's done her homework. Thanks for rubbing it in. Yeah, sure, man. We'd like a gold. We'd like a gold.
We would love it.
We'd love to.
like that.
I mean, if it's not too much of a bother, we'd like one. Please, over the next.
Grand Prix would be even better. Grand Prix would be even better. But no, it feels like if you speak about Raz, if our creative expression has to be defined in one word this year, it would be reshaping, because both ideas kind of reshaped the rules of the medium. Like, one reshaped the traditional billboard, the other was the biscuit. So that's reflective of like the creative process and everyone who worked on it.
So basically 3 cheers for reshaping ideas. Super. Thank you so much, guys, and congratulations.
Yeah, and last one, there's a 20-something year old Paralympian who is behind our win today. She's been winning way more since even the campaign release. So yeah, I mean, Avni Lekra is a superstar, and
Isn't it the 1 year? Where's the 1 year mark of the Olympics from last year? No?
less than that, 9 months almost. But yeah, she's a very, very special athlete, and we're glad to be part of her story and what is likely to be a quite early in her long flourishing career. as an athlete.
You basically managed to get her to almost the red carpet. So I think I'm sure she's smiling right now. So yay!
Can I say one last thing?
Yes, please.
I also want to give a shout out to about 13 first time Cannes winners at Talented, and I think the excitement that we've seen in doing this campaign and in them just being at it is incredible. So congratulations to every one of them who's kind of made it here. Thank you, and we miss you.
Lots of debutants within Talented. Lots of debutants within Talented. Everyone in the Britannia marketing team, it's their debut line as well. Some of our external partners, especially Little Button Films, their first line as well today. So you never get to win your first line twice. So for all of us, we feel great, but the debutants feel 10x better than us. So yeah, so them.
The work wins luckily also come with like people wins. We have third generation seed, be it Leena with us.
It's a privilege and honor to be in a place where it's year 3 of Talented, and it's the third time we have someone representing India at Seed Be It. It's fantastic. Just a reflection of what the people around you can do for you.
May you guys achieve much, much more. Thank you so much for speaking to me. Congratulations.